So it can be up to, I think, 10 pounds. So yeah, is there something that's about 10 pounds?
Well, there's the table I just smashed the shit out of.
There you go. I'll take half of that.
Grab a chunk of table leg or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll just...
Barstool.
I will hoof that at the guy who just summoned the actual Inquisitor.
All right, is attack roll or save?
It is Dexterity saving throw 14.
Ooh, 13.
All right. $25.
25 damage?
No, 48.
All right. Yeah, you take him out.
Oh, hell yeah!
It smacks him right in the head and twists it around, and he just drops.
And I will again sneeze.